So let's start with the main components, the CPU. And the CPU is AMD Ryzen 3 3200G with 4 cores unlocked with desktop 4 cores unlocked desktop processor with includes advanced Radeon 8 graphics card. No expensive graphics card required, and it can deliver smooth high definition performance in the world's most popular games. And also, it has 4 processing cores bundled with the quiet AMD Red Stealth Color with 4.0 GHz max boost, unlock for overclocking, 6 MB cache, DDR2933 support for the advanced socket AM4 platform, base clock of 3.6 GHz. So that's it for the CPU. So for the motherboard is GIGABYTE B450 AORUS M. It is support AMD first and second generation Ryzen and Ryzen with Radeon EVGA graphics card processor with dual channel non-ACC and buffered DDR4 with 4 DIMM slots, and also it has PCIe Gen 3 M.2 NVMe with thermal guard operating system support for Windows 10 64 bits, Windows 7 64 bits, to support Windows 7 64 bits. You must install an AMD Pinnacle Rage and Summit Rage CPU with high quality audio capacitor and audio noise guard, and this motherboard has HDMI D ports for multiple displays with RGB fusion with digital LED and RGB LED headers, and it has also USB 3.1 Gen 2 with USB Type A. So that's it for the motherboard. So for the RAM or the memory is Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB DDR4 DRAM 32 MHz C16 desktop memory. It compatible with Intel 100 series, Intel 200 series, Intel 300 series, Intel X299, and also AMD. .300 series and AMD 400 series, and for XMP 2.0 support for trouble-free automatic overclocking. So that's for the RAM. Okay, let's proceed on the M.2. This M.2 is 3D NAND SATA SD4 capacities up to 2 terabyte with enhanced reliability as used for storage capacity. 1 terabyte equivalent to 1 TB or 1 trillion bytes. Total accessible capacity varies depending on operating environment, and also sequential read speed up to 560 MBs and sequential write speed up to 530 MBs as used for transfer rate or interface. MB means megabyte per second. So for the hard drive or the HDD is Seagate Barracuda 1TB internal hard drive or HDD with 3.5-inch SATA 6 GB and also 7200 RPM with 64 MB cache. This support for computer desktop PC and it can store more, compute faster, and do it confidently with the proven reliability of Barracuda internal hard drives. It is build a powerhouse gaming computer or desktop setup with a variety of capacity and form factors. The go-to SATA hard drive solution is nearly every PC application from music to video and photo editing and also for the PC gaming. So that's it for the hard drive. And so for the case is Deep Cool Matrix 50 mid-tower case tempered glass, side and front panel with PSU shroud, one black fan pre-installed at rear. It has tempered glass side panel and front panel. And also it has 210mm wide tower compartment with 24mm clearance for cable management with large area of air intake on both sides of the front panel to ensure extreme cooling, and magnetic dust-proof net at top, dust filter at front and bottom. With a newly designed cable routing, all preset on PSU route for better cable management with GPU power cable. So that's it for the case. And for the important parts in your PC build is the PSU or the power supply. The PSU you will use is this EVGA 500 GD 8 plus gold certified with 90% efficiency or higher under typical loads and for heavy duty protection including OBP or over voltage protection, UBP or undervolt protection, UCP or current protection, OPP means overpower protection. And the ACP short circuit protection, or if you can find this same PSU you can choose another brand with 500 watts and it has 80 plus bronze or gold certified power. So that's for the power supply. And for the GPU or the graphics card is MSI Gaming GeForce GTX 1650. It has 128 bits with HDMI and DP 4 GB with GDDR5 HDCP support DirectX 12 and also it is VR ready. OC graphics card with maximum display support 3 display monitors with GeForce Experience to capture and share videos, screenshots, and live streams with friends. Keep your drivers up to date and optimize your game settings. And also, it has NVIDIA Encel, which is a powerful photo mode that lets you take professional grade photographics of your games. So that's it for the GPU. Good luck to your PC build and see you in the next video. Thank you.